Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new, what should I say? What is today? Hot when you're in the sun.
A brand new hiking day.
There you have it. It's a brand new hiking day, so you know the weather is good. It's hot when you're in the sun, but a little fresh when you're not in the sun. It's early morning, so you know by the time midday, sun will turn up and all those things. Like Tyler says, it's a hiking day. We're out hiking today. Mintan got herself some hiking shoes, so hopefully that will help my feet with walking, and it will be a good day. So our friends, we're going hiking with our friends today. They're actually probably should reach by now. We're
late bugs.
We're late bugs today. Well, not that we're late, but
we're all late.
We didn't give them a meetup time. We didn't give them a meetup time. We give them a leave out time. We give them a leave out time. We didn't give them a meet up time. Well, you guys know that I'm never late, right? I'm never late. I'm not late. I am not late. No, I'm not late. You think I'm late today? But I didn't give them a meet up time. I give them a leave out time, and we leave out on time. Am I late? Guys, would you consider that of me being late? We leave out the time that I'm supposed to leave out. But we didn't give them an arrive time. So what do you think? Do you think I'm late? Comment down below if you think I'm late. Yes. Babe say you think I'm late, but you guys let me know down below.
Because you're rushing right now. When I tell you the time in the supermarket,
that's true.
You're rushing.
That's true, because I don't like when people wait on me, because I don't like to wait on people. So the fact that they are ahead of us, I don't like it at all. I'm not happy with that at all. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna make today a good day. Hopefully we can show you guys some really nice angles of today's hiking trail, so you guys will enjoy the beauty, and the camera will do it a little justice as much as of how our eyes will see it in live. But yeah, it's another beautiful hiking day, and let's go discover what today's trail has to offer. So enjoy today's vlog. Subscribe if you're new to the fam bam right now, because if you're watching and you're not yet subscribed, girl, what are you waiting on? As long as you click on the channel, you're supposed to subscribe before you leave. Okay, do it for the love, not for the likes. Anyway, honey, you didn't say morning. How dare you not say hello to the faves?
Hi guys.
Oh, you better. Sarah, say good morning, faves. Good girl. You guys can't hear her, but she did say good morning with her pacifier in her mouth. Tyler, under the tunnel.
I already said good morning.
No, you did not. You just butt into my conversation. Say good morning, please.
One.
Right, there we go. We're under the tunnel. They're all there chilling, my babies. Anyway, you guys probably wondering which friends are you talking about going hiking with. We are going hiking with Tashika and her fam bam. Tashika and Andy, her husband, her son Amori, and her daughter Anaila. That's the crew we're gonna meet up right now. And if you're wondering who is Tashika, Tashika is a Jamaican Saint Martinian that moved here to Nice a few months ago. About a month ago. Yeah, so you guys will be seeing a lot of Tashika and her family. Anyway, you guys, loving enough. Let's go have a good day, shall we? The sun. Ooh. I reached and they're not here as yet. They stop at a shop and I got here before them. So still comment and tell me who is late. Is it me? No, I'm never late, okay?
You're late, they're just more late.
What?
You're late, they're just later than you.
I'm never late.
You anticipate.
I'm never late.
The other one is late.
I'm never late. It always works in my favor. Yes, Ty?
Starting to have bad reputation.
Who?
Your friend because the last time he was what, an hour?
Yes.
An hour late?
Tash, you're having a bad reputation. You were 1 hour late the last time, and today you're what? 10 minutes late? Bad rep, bad rep. Anyway, you guys, we're here. Let me guys show you my cute shoes. Look at my cute little hiking shoes. Look at babe own. Let us see your shoe, babe.
I don't promise anything that I'm not paid for.
Look at Ty-on. Ooh, Ty. And Ty-on matches his outfit. Hello. Sarah is the only one not in shoes because, yes, because I know you guys gonna say, so where is Sarah's shoes? Sarah doesn't walk. Sarah travel on my back. So Sarah will get her shoes next year. But right now, Sarah don't ready for shoes. Not yet. Ready to see your friends, Ty? Yes.
I've already seen 2 light blue cars have.
Oh, you're waiting on the light blue car. the driver light blue car, so tell us he's waiting on the light blue car. You guys, the trail has begun. The crew is here.
Hi.
Say hello. Should I tell you how they love you off in the comment section?
Oh my God.
When you came at home and everybody say, Tashika just make herself at home, they love it. When you were in the kitchen and going, hiya with the knife, you remember? Oh!
When you're
So
around
the crew
good
is
company,
Ty,
what happens?
Ty flag. Look, they're on the stone. The flag is on the stone. Look on the stone and you find them. So the trail has begun. And the kiddos are here. Anila, say hello.
Hello.
Amori, say hello.
Amori.
Mori.
Ninja vibe.
What?
Careful, Mori.
And Tyler is all the way up top. These three musketeers, they're not leaving each other.
Anila.
You guys, you see I showed you guys my shoes earlier.
Yes.
Before Tashika reach here, and look here.
Look, y'all.
That's Tashika foot and look at mine. No, no tell me. And Amori and Tyler in the same shoes. Oh, smart man things I like. Me tell her say she a fellow machine monkey.
Tell the truth.
She say,
the
as
story.
she first buy her.
Thank you. I was in the car and text Melissa, tell her we're on the way. She's now telling me, oh, we're at the cashier.
Yeah.
Cashing out.
And we had no idea what each other bought. That's crazy. And the boys, the big guys are at the back.
Yeah,
Doing them as usual. Andy! Hey! I'll show you guys the view as we go along, but it should be a good hiking. It's a little bit rocky now, but we'll get better, I'm sure. But we don't mind today because we know the good shoes them.
Yes, the good of shoes and our fall.
We know the good shoes them.
No
We ain't
slipping
falling
today.
today.
No,
We grip tight today, tight.
Wait.
Wait.
Done.
We're going through the bushes. Sarah, say hello to Faves. Look. See Faves there, Sarah.
I'm gonna give it back to you.
Say hello to the
It's fast.
face.
Go.
Through the bushes we go. Through the bushes we go, Sarah. Through the bush, through the bush.
I know.
Through the bush.
You know, I was wondering about those blueberries. If I can
Me, no sir.
my stomach strong.
Me, not chance it.
Vlog.
Me, not chance it. No, Sava.
For me?
No,
No, that's some for auntie.
Just stay.
The crew having lunch, Who we not seeing, babe? Lunchtime. We eating 101 things at the same time. We're eating chips, we're eating sandwiches, sausages, fruits, water, everything. Compat, you name it, we're eating it. Hey, babe, we're not seeing you. What you
Everything
eating?
goes in the same canal.
He's eating everything.
Family, everything goes in the same things.
Exactly.
One direction.
Exactly.
Honey, open another sandwich for me. What, Sarah? Sarah, all you? What you eating? You're eating kiwi, you're eating chips, you're eating sausage. Oh, big girl.
Don't see it.
All white.
Don't teeth it. All right, I won't teeth it.
All white. The all white bread.
No. Go back, boy. What a good seed. Oh God, we're not gonna kill him. Jesus Christ, Andy. What? Hey, if you drop, Jesus Christ, put a nail on top of you. No, oh God, you know that kill poor Andy. Oh no, wicked man, you know. Me love you. You take the picture yet, mommy? And no picture me a record. Come, do a burpee, you have to do.
I don't
that
burpee,
will help your
that's-
core.
That's him.
You have to do it.
Amor, does that. Move from there. Get out of space before you. I'm here, you're going to
Do burpee.
Come do burpees. Let me see you do
Come
it.
in, I can't do burpee.
Your turn.
Yeah, cheat. And I saw. She cheat.
See me at the burpee. Come next time.
And I saw.
Come on, yeah.
I saw everything.
Now I feel you have to put your hands so.
Now watch it.
Want big bottom. We squatting. Babe, you don't want big bottom.
This is what.
Babe, come see big bottom, babe.
Amori. Equal button.
Whoa. Come, Anila, come behind me. Come catch the big bottom, them. Come. Come, Nina, go down there, so. Come now.
Go to
Down. Sarah.
my go further than yours.
Go down. Oh, Sarah, squat, Sarah. Yes, Sarah, do it. Oh, Sarah. And then I catch Sarah. Woo.
Mama,
Hmm?
I want to tell the exercise.
Sarah's over there, though.
I
Sarah,
want to
so-
tell the exercise.
Go on.
We're making a go sprint, girl. Go on, go
Go slow,
sprint.
I'm tired. Come here, Andy, I go sprint.
It's not like mommy not tired.
Go there, Tito.
Go! Go, Melissa! Go, Melissa! Go, 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 go! Melissa, the winner!
He did. He did.
I want to
Outside you. You know, let's go. Let's run.
No.
I'm a teacher.
Oh, shoot. No, that is tired, yeah? Oh, she's coming. Melissa, come defend your title, man.
And your mark.
get set, go! Go, Tyler, go, Maury, go!
Yo, we kids are Melissa.
Look.
Go, Maury, go! Turn, go, go!
Melissa did that. You dusty this, yo.
Go! Go, Tyler, go, Maury!
I have stamina.
Tyler win!
Okay, you guys, we've reached to the top. No. And this is Amory. Wait. This is the view from the top. You can't really see it properly because the sun is reflecting directly in the camera. But just to give you guys a vivid idea, this is what it looks like down there. And where exactly is this, babe? Honey? Where exactly is this? Where we're looking at is Monaco?
No, this is
Nice?
Saint-Jean. Nice is the second one. Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat is the first one. Ez is the little village here on the top.
Okay.
So Nice is the second, la colline de Château.
Ah,
That's here.
okay.
So you have the airport.
Oh, that's the airport down there.
Yeah. So
Okay, and
until
Monaco is
there.
where?
Monaco will be
Behind this, so we can't see.
No, you can't see.
Ah. Okay. That's beautiful down there.
Ça c'est tête de chien, c'est ça.
Ça c'est Tête de Chien? We went there. You guys to visit Ez too.
Maury.
Ez.
Yeah, I see.
This is the village down here. It's beautiful. It's so pretty.
That's the pool, but
Uh-huh.
the front property. That's where we gotta reach.
That's properly Menton. Menton is more on the inside.
Ah.
The village on there is Bordighera.
Really? We've been.
No.
We've been to
On a
Bordighera.
passé derrière ça.
On a passé derrière le rocher.
Bordighera we've been and it was dead.
Yeah, because we didn't go in the village.
Okay.
Yeah, we went to a part, the dead part, should I say.
Mm-hmm.
On the map.
Ouais, c'est Monaco, c'est juste derrière. Ça, c'est Tête de Chien. On a été déjà là. T'as des randonnées.
So
Il y a des randonnées. Je regardais sur le livre, je faisais le tour.
oh my gosh, look at that view. Honey. Babe.
Anybody have business with you?
I know, right? And he's just chatting.
No, what?
Babe. Husband. Hello.
God. You should have been if you're embarrassed of yourself. So, go on again, go on again.
You have 6 out of the jar.
Go on, be about husband up again.
Hey, girl, you're gonna leave me alone, you know.
Go on, call up
That's why
somebody.
your auntie Dottie.
Call somebody.
Husband. Babe. See, he looked.
After how much trial and failure.
Oh my gosh. Hello. Tyler, you see the tunnel? We're going through a tunnel. Bonjour. We're going through a tunnel, you guys. Look at that. How cool. Sarah said, wow. Wow. We're going through a tunnel, Sarah. Wow. You keep screaming. Yes.
It's pretty though.
Baby look like an angel. I'm telling baby look like an angel. Yes, son. He's a climber.
No idea. Go down from there before. Look how supposed to drop down there, so supposed to through that hole. Hey, look at that view.
Finalement, il pourrait échapper à la prison à vie pour avoir juste une petite peine en échange de collaboration et de aussi
They're finding the flag along the way. Please. They're too funny.
I don't want nobody by the wall, okay? You can come over.
The view! Oh my god! This view is life. Oh my god. This view is everything. Oh, you guys, look at that view. The wind is too heavy for the drone.
Après, quelles sont les preuves réelles?
Non, ils ont comme... En tout cas, ces trucs-là, ils ont quand même des choses.
Look at that view, you guys. Oh,
Éviter la prison,
it feels so peaceful to be out here.
Ça finit à ce que la possibilité de donner de l'argent se mette d'accord avant.
We've been back for a while now from our hiking trail on the Côte d'Azur. It's been amazing. Hiking with that beautiful view was everything. We've been back and look, somebody know what's up. It's dinner time. Sarah know what's up. No, Sarah, no, it's dinner time. I've been in the kitchen since I got back. Let me just show you guys real quick what I'm preparing for dinner today. It's Saturday, so I'm not doing nothing too much. All right, let's be real now. This is a mixture of different things. I decided not to steam any veggies today. I just do tins. So it's actually 2 tins of mixed veg, and I threw a half pack of lentil on it, which is this little brown thing. I throw 1 tin of corn and mix that together, and voila, you have a nice healthy mixture of veggies. And then I had quinoa in the fridge, so I just warmed that up. I did some wings, but I fry a few for the kids in oil, and then in the air fryer I have some jerk wings here for babe and I, because the kids really don't love pepper. So that's what dinner is gonna be: jerk wings, fry wings, quinoa, and veggies.